Hey everyone, how are you today? Today, we're going to make a sunny sunflower. We'll need 6 yellow square papers and 1 green and 1 brown paper. You'll also need some scissors and glue. Ready? Let's start with a yellow square. First, fold it in half side to side and top to bottom. Flip it over and fold it corner to corner both ways. Now we'll make a triangle pocket. Fold the paper into a triangle like this. Keep the open side on top, like an upside-down triangle. Next, fold one flap up to the center and open it back out. Now watch this carefully. Slide your finger in and press to make a diamond. Let's do that again. Flip the flap, fold it to the left. Then press it flat.
Mountains made from paper peaks, rivers flow in folded streaks.
Now one more time. Flip, fold left and press. Then you should see 3 folded diamonds. Let's fold each flap back like this just halfway. And the other side too. Great job! Keep folding each flap back gently. Give it a little press. And there we go! We just made 3 sunflower petals and a joining part. Let's do it again. Fold side to side, then top to bottom. Now flip it and fold corner to corner, both ways. Make your triangle pocket. Fold and press the diamonds, and gently fold the flaps back. You know, we're making a petal part that we need 6 in total, so keep going. It takes time, but it's not too tricky once you get the hang of it. And look! With our extra petal sets already made, we've got all 6 now. Now let's make the tips of our petals nice and pointy. From the back of each piece, fold the outer edge in toward the center line just like this. Next, fold the left corner in to follow the shape of the petal. See how it's starting to look like a real flower? Let's do one more together. Fold the edge toward the middle, then tuck in the corner to round it out. It's really taking shape now. Alright, time to glue. Look for the little flap we made for connecting. Let's apply a good amount of glue there. Now press it onto the next petal. Be careful not to overlap petals each other. I like to check the flower shape as I go, to keep it nice and even. Keep pressing gently but firmly. Make sure each petal sticks nicely to the next one.
Colors bright like bumblebee. Fold it once, then fold again. Let your hands become your friend. Left to right, we're folding free. Step by step, come fold with me. Shapes appear like magic signs. Every fold is full of shine. Fold with me. Fold with me. Buzzing bright like creativity. Every crease, a brand new beat.
Now let's make the center of our sunflower. We'll start with a square piece of brown paper. Fold it side to side, top to bottom, and then corner to corner.
Take it slow or pick up speed.
Unfold it all, and fold the left and right sides to the middle line. Next, fold the top and bottom to the center.
We're not perfect, that's okay. Folding brightens up our day. Hold it close and let it be. You're amazing, fold with me.
Then open it up again. Now open the sides and press the top into a roof shape, like this. We'll do the same on the other side. Next, fold the center square across both diagonals. Open up the flaps and press them down to make a square. you'll see 4 small squares appear. Now fold each side of the square in toward the middle.
Paper ready here with me. Colors bright like bumblebee. Fold it once, then fold again. Let your hands become your friend.
Then gently open each fold and press them flat. I used a wooden stick to help open the folds and pressed with my finger.
Shapes appear like magic signs. Every fold is full of shine. Fold with me, fold with me. Buzzing bright like creativity. Every crease, brand new beat. Let your fingers dance so sweet.
All done. Let's finish by folding back each little corner.
Take it slow or pick up speed. Fold your joy, it's all you need. Make a star or
And place it right in the center of your sunflower. Looking good, right? Go ahead and apply some glue underneath. Then press it down firmly so it sticks well. Now for the inner center part, we need a thin brown strip, about 1/2 centimeter wide and 15 centimeters long. Take your scissors and make tiny cuts along one side, leaving just a little space at the bottom.
fold with me, fold with me. Buzzing hearts and harmony. Craft your dream, set it free. Let's fold together, you and me.
Shine it, fold it, play.
Now wrap it gently around the tip of a wooden pencil. Take your time, wrap it nice and tight.
Every crease makes a world I can plan. From a
When you reach the end, apply a little glue to keep it from unraveling.
origami magic, let it show. Color white, turning story to life. Shaping your shape, cutting sharp like a knife. Here to walk, surprise, 접으면 delight. Endless
Let's stick it in place with double-sided tape.
magic fold, turn it into gold. Magic fold, story to be told. Fold it up, light it up, never getting old. Magic fold,
And now gently fluff the fringe with your fingers or wooden stick. This makes the sunflower look extra full and realistic. Now let's make the leaves using green paper. First, fold it in half side to side and then top to bottom.
tiny boats sailing on paper seas.
Now fold each side into the center, just about a quarter in.
Every fold makes a heartbeat sound. Magic rising all around. Hearts and wings, every moment's new. 마음을 전해줄
Then open those folds again. Fold the bottom corners in like a little triangle roof. Flip it over and do the same on the back side.
magic fold, turn it into gold. Magic fold, story to be told. Fold it up, light it up,
Now fold the top flap diagonally, like this.
everybody shout. Lift it higher, 날아가.
And fold this point lines up with that one.
Reaching the sky. Magic in my hand, never let it go.
Let's attach it to the back of our flower using some double-sided tape. And since the centerpiece we glued earlier might come loose, let's add one more piece of tape to keep everything extra secure. There we go! Thanks for folding with me today. Oh, and if you liked folding with us, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. It really helps us make more fun videos like this. See you next time!